Hello everyone, in today's video, we will be making a simple Italian pasta with plant-based meatballs from IKEA. This dish is vegetarian and delicious. Here are the ingredients. Whole wheat pasta, here I use the rotini. A jar of pasta sauce, 3 cloves of garlic, and 1 red onion chopped, grape tomatoes diced, sweet red peppers diced, plant-based meatballs from IKEA, a cup of cooking wine. Here are the seasonings we will use. A dash of paprika, parsley, oregano, and whole fennel seeds. Grated cheese. Here I use Gruyere, which is good in pasta. Let's start. First, we will boil the pasta in boiling water with salt for 7 minutes, then set it aside. Heat olive oil in a pan. Saute garlic and onion until the onion turns translucent. Add in the diced bell peppers. Add the meatballs. Make sure it is defrosted. Pour in a jar of pasta sauce. Then add the diced tomatoes. Add a cup of cooking wine. Let's season it with fennel seeds, oregano, parsley, a dash of paprika, one tablespoon of sugar is optional. I like it sweet. Lastly, add the grated cheese. Make sure it melts with the pasta. This is ready to eat. I hope you can try this very simple yet hearty dish. The IKEA meatballs are so flavorful and goes well with a pasta sauce. Thank you for watching.